Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by matching the wire loop needle threader to your needle. Pick a loop thin enough to pass through the eye without forcing it. Thread the end of your thread at a 45 degrees angle, about 1/2 inch exposed, so it slips through the loop easily. Insert the wire loop straight into the needle eye. Keep the frame steady with your thumb and forefinger so the wire remains aligned. Once the loop is through, you're ready to move to the next step. Now you feed the prepared thread through the wire loop. Do this gently so the strand doesn't kink or split. Once the thread is seated in the loop, hold the needle while you withdraw the wire. Pull it back slowly and in line with the needle eye so the thread follows smoothly. If the wire rotates, stop and realign. Steady, slow motion reduces snags. Make sure to keep light tension on the thread so it slides through the eye cleanly as the loop comes out. After the thread has passed through the needle eye, pull enough length through to tie a knot or secure it for your stitch. Make sure there's no twist in the thread. If the threader struggles, check the wire for bends or the needle for burrs, replace the threader or change to a new needle if necessary. If lint or fuzz blocks the eye, clean both parts with a soft cloth, then retry. This small maintenance step often fixes persistent failures and keeps the tool working reliably.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.